Hey guys, if you want to see how I got this rhinestoned bold red lip makeup look, then keep on watching. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. I'm back with another banger. Alright, so guys, today I'll be doing a birthday makeup look. I'm giving you some inspiration. I'm giving you inspo for your birthday look. I'm always here for my Libras. Alright, so let's get into the tutorial. All right, so I've already done my eyebrows as per usual. I always do my eyebrows before coming on here. All right, I have eyebrow tutorials on my channel. So if you don't know how I do them, then you can go ahead and check those out. All right, I haven't changed my routine. I do the same thing with my brows. I'm using my this palette from I got it as a gift last year for my birthday. I think it's a dupe for I don't know what palette, but it says Fantasy, and so I use the brown from that palette for my transition because I want brown for my transition color today. I'm trying to do a rhinestoned neutral rhinestone look with a very bright lip or very bright lips. So right now I am just cutting my crease, and I'm trying to use up more space on my lid today for the cut crease because I want big popping eyes. All right, so I'm doing a good size cut crease today, and after doing the cut crease, then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my shadow. I'll be using the shadow from Forever 21, and I also got that shadow for my birthday. Oh wow, how ironic. This is the birthday edition, and I'm using gifts that I got for my birthday. I'm so forever grateful to the persons who got me those things on my birthday. Alright, so I'm using that Forever 21 palette. I wish you could see it when I'm doing the video, but I didn't realize that the camera wasn't showing. I guess I was just so thrown off because guess what, my ring light, it decided to stop work in the middle of doing this video, and I decided I'm not going to stop because I need to upload today. So this was yesterday and the ring light stopped, so I just had to open the door to get some sunlight. I'm hoping that you can see just as good or even better with the sunlight, because I'm just gonna have to try and get a ring light in Jamaica because it's gonna take me like a couple like Alright, so guys, this is what the rhinestones look like in my eyes. I went ahead and added my lashes, and I'm moving on to my face right now. So for my face, I'm using my Superstay foundation. That's my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I've primed my face. I've primed my face with my calamine lotion. Alright, so I'm just going in with my brush and my foundation. So it's time for my highlights, and I'm using the Superstay as well. So I've started doing that. I've started using my concealer, not my concealer, my foundation for my highlights. So I think the Superstay foundation, it just gives very good coverage, and so using it for my highlights, it just blends so well with my skin. Like, this is my go-to foundation for both face and for my highlights. All right, so I am now blending out my highlights, and remember guys, blending is key. Like, if you don't blend your products out properly, your face just won't look good. All right, so I'm just blending my highlights out right now. After doing my highlights, I'm gonna go ahead to my contour, and I'll be doing powder contour. I've been doing powder contour for a little while. I can't remember when last I put some cream on my face for my contour, because powder does my face just fine. Alright, so guys, so that's all I'll be doing. This is as I said before, this is a birthday makeup idea. I wasn't necessarily planning on using this look for my birthday, but after doing it, I got so inspired. I just might do it for my look tomorrow, which is my birthday. Guys, remember, you need to go ahead in the comments and say happy birthday to me. Tell me happy birthday. Like, I love birthdays. I don't know if I'm the only one. Since Corona and everything, like, things have changed a bit. Like, I'm not so enthused about it, but I love birthdays nonetheless. Alright, so that's the powder that I'll be using. That's the palette that I'm using for my contour, and I really don't remember the name of it, but you can check the description box for the information on the palette. Alright, so I'm doing the powder contour, and that's all. After doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlighter, and I'll be finished with the look. So guys, I think that this is a very simple look if you want to try something for your birthday. Even though it has the rhinestones, the added diamonds, it makes it look so bougie, so pretty, but it's really easy to add that rhinestones. You just want, once you have the idea in your head as to what you want, what kind of look you want with the rhinestones, you just go ahead and place them according to that idea. Alright, so I'm just doing my nose contour right now, after which I'm gonna go and do my highlights. So just keep on watching, guys. I just wanted to pop back in right here, guys, before we get to the end of the video. I know in the ending of the video I had said that this is my first red lip look on camera, but I'm thinking, when I just started YouTube last year, I did a red lip look, but this look was just, I don't think I've added red to my lips since then, and that's been a year. But this look, it's just so smashing. It just knocked me right off my feet. Like, I didn't even remember that I did a red look before. So yes, I did do a red lip before, but it looked nothing like this look that I got right here.